Hi, I'm Roseanne, and welcome to A New Beginning. It's been a while since I posted a video, and I'd like to thank you for your patience and caring comments. In this video, I'd like to share with you two significant and exciting developments. First, my husband Steve and I moved. That's right, after 35 years, we left our storybook home and enchanted garden for a new beginning in a new house, more suitable for us as we age. It was sad to leave the garden, but we left it in very experienced and capable hands. Second, Nathaniel, hello Nathaniel.
Hello.
Has agreed to continue the channel and share his own garden's journey, along with some other fun gardening videos. In the future, I'll be hosting some of those videos and making special appearances from time to time. People ask me what I miss since moving. And for me, of course, it would be the garden as a whole. But the whole is made up of so many areas and vignettes. I put together a little video montage I'd like to share with you of my favorite things. For me, the area surrounding the garden shed and the shed itself absolutely made the garden special. It beckoned visitors to come and explore. I found it so magical when I would be working back there and the birds would be singing. The curved path to the south and the gorgeous terraced area behind the shed were just so charming. That little chipmunk we see running across the top tier became a YouTube star. He totally photobombed the video and generated a lot of comments. Steve also created such beautiful natural stone hardscaping. The crown jewel would have to be the stone bench. It was a true work of art and incredibly practical. What a wonderful place to rest on hot days. It also served as a great place to take photos. Using the same natural stone generously throughout the garden made it feel established and cohesive. Plus, it was a beautiful backdrop for the famed Sagina subulata, more commonly referred to as Irish moss. Although we had lots of trees, I loved my perennial beds. This is where I found challenge and satisfaction from combining all sorts of perennials and annuals to ensure that there was always color and interest throughout the growing season. I've never been scared of combining lots of color in the garden, but combining those colors thoughtfully and paying attention to foliage textures and shapes makes the garden come alive. For me, adding climbing vines and tall flowers add height and serve to create another layer in the flower beds. Here's one of my favorite combinations, a blue spherical or globe-shaped thistle and a brilliant bright red phlox. Not everyone likes hosta flowers, but I love them and bees love them. They look especially pretty in front of the golden daylily. I also miss strolling on the narrow south side path of our old house, taking in all of the fragrances and checking on many of my favorite plants, especially the climbing wisteria, peonies, and climbing roses in early summer. Then, in the fall, the lovely and fruitful espaliered apple trees. Of course, I would be remiss to not mention my favorite stepping stone. Although this little guy needed to stay in the garden, where he belongs, Steve is planning on building another turtle at our new house. Yay! As the saying goes, when one door closes, another one opens. I doubt we would have moved had we not found the perfect house. Surprisingly, it was only the second house we looked at. But when we walked through the front door and saw the view out the back, we knew we had found our home. Here's a little clip of our new home. The views were stunning. This video was filmed from our living room. The house is in a suburb of Minneapolis, close to lots of shopping and restaurants, but still largely surrounded by nature. Our backyard is only 25 feet deep, but it backs onto a wild area, including wetlands. It's the classic case of borrowed landscape. We've been privileged to witness so much wildlife here, not just city rabbits and chipmunks. This has become our new backyard garden, courtesy of Mother Nature. The house itself is heavily influenced by the Prairie-style school of architecture. On the exterior, it has strong horizontal lines, a hip roof with large overhangs, and geometrically patterned stained glass windows. As you can see from the picture, the front yard is minimally landscaped and has a lot of opportunities. Inspired by the house, we'll be slowly transitioning the front garden to a prairie-style garden, our theme being prairie. It'll be filled with lots of grasses and native perennials. I hope to keep you abreast of the garden's progress from time to time. In the meantime, Nathaniel, is there anything you'd like to add?
Absolutely. I'd like to start out by saying thank you for allowing me this opportunity to share this new project in my garden that I'm undertaking with your viewers.
And I'm super excited that you're doing it. I'm really looking forward to what you have in store.
Moving forward, we're going to develop a new garden from a blank slate in my backyard. And I'm excited to take you through step by step on this journey. We're going to start with theme and idea and inspiration. We're going to take it through construction to a brand new garden in my backyard. At the same time, the scope of the channel is expanding. Not only is it just Roseanne's garden anymore, it's also my garden and other gardens that we are going to visit. It's important to us to highlight all the different types of gardens, their beauty, their inspiration, and bring that to you through this channel. And for that reason, we're going to change the name from Roseanne's Garden to Exquisite Gardens.
What a perfect name for the future of this channel. Thank you, Nathaniel.
We hope you will join us as we visit other gardens and build our own over the coming years. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos from Exquisite Gardens. We're so excited to start this journey with you. And with that, we'll see you on the next video.